If you're an employer that's looking at hiring a person with a disability and you're not sure, just take the opportunity. Just hire them. It's not going to be a big deal. I truly have never had an issue with an employer hiring people with disabilities and the modifications that they need. It's not difficult, and it's not going to cost you a significant amount of money. I've had an instance where I took someone to work, and it was a mom and pop restaurant, and they said, "No, I don't think we can do this." And I said, "This is the guy you've got to have. How about if we come back and we work for free? We volunteer for a day, and I show you what this person can do." And that worked, and they hired him because they saw this person has great potential, and everyone that walked into that restaurant knew him and was excited to see him. And so it really benefited that restaurant by being willing to give him a chance. Individuals with disabilities are just people, and they have value. They can be great workers. Don't be afraid.